everyone, and welcome to this video on the Miro product. It's Miro, and Miro is a great brainstorming tool to work with your teams. And what's really awesome is that this is not just a presentation tool that you show to your teammates. What happens is that your teammates can also log in to provide feedback on that particular presentation or item that you're trying to share. So as an example here on the Miro website, let's say, for example, there's data tables here that you want to share, but you want to get the input from your team on, let's say, for example, creating a travel application. You can get feedback from your teammates and they could be live on this particular board giving feedback. So for example, here you see the user, Drew and Bree, and they're here in this particular framework giving advice here. And you'll know that they're online because you'll see their icons here. So you can also have documents where users or your teammates are giving feedback. You also can have visual references. You can also have dashboards or some sort of planning prototype where your teammates can provide feedback. So for example, this here looks like wireframes for a particular app, and your team can give you feedback on what can be done here. And some other examples here as I scroll through, you can have like flow charts. You can even have code here that the developers can share. So this is a fantastic tool, and I recommend that you try this one out. So what I wanted to do in this video, I just wanted to show you how to get access to this tool. So firstly, you're going to go to Miro.com, and then once here, you're going to sign up for free. They do have free account sign up. And what I wanted to do is just kind of show you the pricing. I'm going to click here on the pricing. And free, what's going to happen is that you're going to get 3 editable Miro boards. So this is perfect if you want to just try out Miro and practice it. You don't need all these bells and whistles over here. Just get the free version, try it out, and see if you like it or not. You can test it with maybe some of your friends at work and see if it's a great tool where you can expand it to other users. So you have the free starter, you have a business package, and you also have the enterprise package where you have to call them because that's on a corporate level. But you can go ahead and read through these and see which one is most appropriate for you. So again, the way you get access to Miro and to create a free account, you can sign up for free. So you're going to click here. So when you get to this screen, you can sign up for free, either leveraging your email. And what will happen is if you continue with the email, you'll get like the email notifications where it's, to confirm your account and to get signed up. Then also what you can do here is that you can leverage your Google account, Office 365 or Slack, depending on what you're using at the office, you can sign up that way also. And if I go back here to the packages that they have. So let's say, what you get for free, or like what I said, the editable boards, and you have many templates that you can leverage within Miro. So for example, if you're a product owner and you wanted to generate a product backlog instantly with AI, Miro can do that for you. So you can integrate with over 160 applications, and Miro even integrates with Jira. So like you can do your brainstorming on stories within Miro, and that'll integrate with Jira eventually. And you can even do talk tracks with video. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to log in to my account specifically. And again, so I'm going to log in. Now, keep in mind, I'm not creating a new account. I'm just logging in with my account, and I'm going to choose my account. And ultimately, you're going to have your dashboard come up here. So you're going to get some items here, like if there's new updates, the application will tell you, hey, we have these updates, come check it out. So as an example here, I have my 3 boards here. I have course examples, my first board, and business brainstorming. So for example, if I go into course examples and I click this here, I have some boards that I already created. So this is one Miro board that will have various components once it comes up. So here you see my Miro board, and what you can do is that I have a touch screen, so I'm using that right now for easier navigation. But if you have a trackpad, you can pinch like I'm doing right now, and it'll zoom out, and you can pinch, you can widen and that'll zoom in here. But you can just get used to it. Like if you fool around with this enough, you'll get used to it. So I have like a cost benefit analysis here where I'm leveraging various stickers. This here is a project risk chart here. We have stakeholders, time, quality, and budget. And these stickies here, you can have other users put these stickies here. So for example, let's say if this was a brainstorming session and you're asking your users, hey, what do you think are the quality standards that need to be met? Other users can be putting in these stickers and not just you. So that's a great feature here. So what I also wanted to show you is that you can do like flow charts. There's many things you can do here. So like, for example, this is a decision chart as to how we should start this initiative, yes and no answers, and it goes down, etc., etc. So I just wanted to give you a heads up as to what this Miro product is. And it's a fantastic product to use, especially like if you're using, if you're an agile and you're brainstorming a Kanban board for here, and you're also doing a project dependency. So let's say, for example, you're managing multiple projects and you're finding out the dependencies between the projects. So Miro will definitely help you out with this. There's so much you can do here. In the meantime, go to Miro.com and start looking at the different controls that are available. Thanks for watching.